Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Damyo Motorized. Actually, in this video I just want to showcase the part I just bought for this project. Another steering rack I bought. This, I am very sure this is very way better than the previous one I have. These are the shocks for the differential axle at the back. Though I actually add air shocks, but that is actually a hydraulic shock and this one is the spring. And also, I have been wanting to buy this before. This is actually the universal joint for the back differential axle, so in case I want to mount the gearbox or the engine. So this is actually it. And in today's video, I am thinking of replacing this steering rack, this former steering rack, to this, because this one has already given me enough problem and I don't want any problem anymore. So that is why I will be changing a former steering rack to this new one. So with the new steering rack I bought, though actually the steering rack is not new, but with the steering rack I bought, it will be very comfortable for me to mount it, unlike the previous one. Now, since I have successfully in removing this former steering rack, so let's try to add this. So before that, I will actually remove all this. You see all this iron, you see how I did it. I don't even like it at all, so I will actually remove all that. But for now, I just want to check, because I don't think this one is actually so short compared to what I need. So I am still just going to measure it. Maybe I will still have to cut some part here and then I'll make it more longer. So let's try. So I'll be adding more to this rod. I just have to cut it and then make it more longer, and then I'll actually do the same for the second side, so it will have to balance together. So it will have to be balanced together. I think that is what I need now. What I'm trying to do now is find a way to mount the steering rack on it. Since this is another type of steering rack, I need to design another type of fabrication for it. Initially there is supposed to be another one here, but when I bought it I can't find it there, so I will have to make one of this. But I know mine won't be as good as this, but it can actually bring out the work. So I think it is okay like this. I just have to raise it. I'll have to raise the height, maybe like this, so, and then I'll just weld the iron steel to support it. Now the thing is that I do not want to like stress myself again in in recreating or like replicating this. It won't be perfect the way I want it, so I will have to like abandon it now and go back to the next phase. I am trying to like go to the market, like display market shop. Maybe I can see something similar to this and also this bushing, because you can actually see that this height is like more higher than this. That is actually because I haven't applied this bushing and this mount to this other side, so I don't really want to like waste my time to recreate this, because I know it won't be that perfect, because I don't have the required tools if I am to do it. I am done with the steering rack mounting and the absorber mounting, though the absorber mounting I did not actually show the full process. This is the steering rack. It has been mounted well. The only thing I just need to do is to adjust the length of it, adjust the length of this rod to make it more longer to be here. Same applies to this one also. For the absorber, this is it. This is the progress I made on it. You see how I actually did it, though the absorber I used was for a rickshaw tricycle, so that was the absorber I used. And also for this, it is a Bajaj motorcycle. The next thing to do is just to like paint every aspect of it to make it more beautiful, and I have to like eradicate the rust away. I am done with the remaining aspect of the steering system, which is actually joining together of this rod, though I didn't show it in the video, but I am done, and also I am tired of amending. So this, I am very sure, will be my last time amending the front aspect, both the suspension system and the steering system, because I think it is good now. But the only thing I think I will later change or amend on will be the steering wheel, because that is actually not the steering wheel I am supposed to use. The steering rack is actually so big, like it actually gave me, like it is, you know, it is very easy when I am trying to like operate it. I'll see. And also, like, I think I did a pretty job here with all these universal joints in like connecting it back to the steering rack, and I think that is actually what I need to do. This will actually be the end of the video, and if you are new to the channel, do not forget to comment your opinion on the Ferrari 488 GTB replica project, and do not forget to like, also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.